let's start drawing. First of all, take a white sheet. Remember to put tape all around it so that the colors don't spread outside. Let's start drawing Krishna, the rough sketch of Krishna, upon which we are gonna use oil pastels. These are the jewelries. It's done. So let's start coloring. First of all, take light blue color and color it in the face of Krishna. Make sure you run the colors lightly. Don't make them run so harsh. For shading effect, run them lightly, more lightly. Now take a little more light blue than the one we used before. Keep running till the face gets colored all over. Now use a white color on the borders of the face and on the nose as well. Now we are coloring the neck with the shades that we used before with white color as well. Now we are using the dark blue color for a little bit shade to put more detailings in the drawing. White color. Now use dark colored HB pencil for the effects on the eyes and the eyebrows. Black and brown oil pastel for the color of the eyes. Now we are coloring the lips with pink color. HB pencil we are using for more detailings. Adding more details on the face. Now the chest part of Krishna. We are drawing the ears and the earring of Krishna, and we are coloring the hairs now. For the shading effect in the hairs, we are using black color, dark brown color and ochre, and also a little bit of white. We are done with our hairs, just adding a little more details. Now we are working on the pagadi. We are supposed to make the pagadi more colorful. As you can see, we are using so many colors. Yellow, pink, use orange, upon which and then yellow. Make sure you blend them nicely. They will look more nice if you blend them. Almost done with our pagadi, just adding a little more details. We are using brown color, upon which we are gonna use black color to make it look a little bit realistic. Now we are using HB pencil to make borders more clear, add more detailings on the face, on the hairs as well. And now it's jewelry time. We are coloring the jewelry with yellow color. Ochre is more preferred. Using HB pencil for detailings. Now we are coloring the clothing of Krishna with red and a little bit of pink as well. And then we use yellow color. Orange color, blend them, use black for outlining, white And now we are coloring the background with bright colors like pink and blue. We are gonna color the bright portion, the blank portion with pink, purple for shading, and then gonna use blue as well. We are almost done with our work. Taking out the tapes. Thank you for watching.